So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter and then click to product. After that click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. So it is start downloading. Wait few seconds to complete. Then after download, just open and double click to run. Then yes. Now this is installing. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds. It will close automatically means it is installed. So guys, install and then close it.